Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to access and sign up for the GitHub Student Developer Pack using Google Chrome. Whenever you are completely new to the coding or already working on project, this pack gives you free access to powerful developer tools that can really level up your learning. Let's just jump straight into it. So first of all, open up your Google account, Google. Now, once Chrome is open, you should see the familiar Google search and search for GitHub Student Developer Pack. Place it in. So, after searching, Google will show you a list of results. Click on the first results, which should be the official GitHub student page. This is the correct page and it contains all the details about what's included in the student pack. Things like cloud service coding, tools and other useful resources. Here you will start the sync up process. This is the button, the green one. Click on that and you will be directed to this page. And this stage, GitHub will ask you to verify that you are a student right here. So this usually means using a student email address or uploading proof of enrollment. Make sure all your information is correct before submitting it. GitHub uses this step to confirm eligibility since the pack is available only for students. You will then wait for approval. After submitting your details, once GitHub verifies your student status, you will get access to everything included in the student developer pack. And that's it. You're officially ready to use the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is an awesome way to boost your skills, work on real project, and take advantage of professional tools for you as a student. I hope this guide helped you and made the process super easy to follow. Thank you for watching. Keep coding. If you can, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video with more tech tips and tutorials.